Mute your mics, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
So as
morning, ma'am.
we were doing,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Mute yourself. As you know, we were doing it the lowest term, and we were checking the factors. So we were on 45 till 5 nines of 45. Now it's in 6 table. 45 is not coming. Is 45 coming in table of 7?
No.
No, ma'am. No,
In
ma'am.
table of 8?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Table of 9?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
9
So
is
ma'am.
the
that is
five.
already done.
Yes.
Either 5 nines are 45 or 9 fives are 45. So we stop here. Right?
Yes.
Now take a U-turn. What are the all factors of 45? Can I write here? 1,
1, 3,
3,
5,
One,
9,
5, 9, 15, 45.
45.
which all the factors are? Karnav will tell me. Karnav, can you see this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me out of these factors and these factors, which factors are the common in both? Children, first you need to find out the common factor. Which factors are common? जो इसमें भी है और इसमें भी है.
Ma'am, can I tell Arnav?
No. Let
Ma'am.
Karnav tell us. Yes, Karnav.
Ma'am, 1 and 5.
1, 5, 5, 1. So 1 to we will not see. Okay. That any other factor which is common in both?
No, ma'am.
Now out of the common factors 1 and 5, which is the highest common?
5.
Karna, which is the highest common? 1 or the 5?
Ma'am, 5.
5. So 5 is the highest common factor. That is called HCF, highest common factor. Now after finding out the highest common factor, divided with the numerator and the denominator.
Right.
In table of 5, how many times 35 is coming?
7. Ma'am,
In table of 5, how many times 9 is coming?
9 is
Oh,
the
sorry,
answer.
45 is coming.
Ma'am, 9 times.
Now you can check 7 and 9 is not divisible by any number. Both the numbers are not divisible by any one number. है ना? दोनों किसी एक टेबल में नहीं आते. Got it, Karna? So we stop. So this is the lowest term of this fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Find the factors, find the common factor, find the highest common factor and divide it. These are the steps.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Ma'am, yes. One more question.
Yes,
Is it
yes.
possible to solve right now or maybe later
Yeah.
on?
No problem. Tell.
Choose the correct equivalent fraction in each problem. The second worksheet you said.
Ma'am, in that fraction, in that now he first has to do the lowest term of that fraction.
Okay.
For example, for 3 upon 9.
Okay.
3 upon 9 is the fraction. First, he need to do it into the lowest term.
Okay.
Okay. For example, if I directly do the lowest term, I have told the students also and explained them about the lowest direct also. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. This is the direct lowest term. 1 upon 3. So now the options are given, many A, B, C.
Yes, yes.
So for now you do the lowest term of the fractions also, the options also.
Okay.
Once you are clear with the lowest term of the options also, then you can match it, which is similar. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Welcome. So children, now today's concept is we are going to learn the different types of fractions. Right?
I have a doubt.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Proper, improper.
That, wait, Dhyan. Yes, Samriddhi. Somebody told doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Samriddhi.
Yes,
only.
please ask.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, that in worksheet number 5, question number 1 upon 3 of 72 liters.
1 upon 3 of 72 liters. 72 liters means you need to see the number only 72. Find the 1 upon 3
Yes.
of this. If you are clear with the concept, how to find 1/3, how to find half, how to find. So whether it can be any number. So are you clear how to solve these questions, Samriddhi, first of all?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, in this confusion of answer, my first I divide, so answer is coming, and second I divide, so I had divide one more time, and both answers are different.
No. You tell me. In table of 3, it is divisible by 372.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
First step is put a 1 in the denominator.
No.
Multiply the numerator with the numerator.
Yes.
As second
Yes.
9.
It is divisible. Fine. Samriddhi only divide. Samriddhi,
Yes, ma'am.
mute your mic, divide and tell me the answer. Other students also can divide and write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, my first answer is coming 14 liters and second answer is coming 15 liters.
Both are wrong. What is first answer and why are you taking two answers? Because maybe you are not clear how to divide 72 by 3. Divide, Samriddhi, in front of me. Divide and I will ask at the last answer from you only. Okay? Children, are you all clear how to divide this? Is any difficulty to any child?
Ma'am, I'm not facing anything.
Yes?
I didn't understand it. How
This
to
one?
divide. Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed this worksheet, Anushka?
On the worksheet of the fraction given of the number, we have to take out that one.
I have given her 1/3 of this, 1/3, 1/5 of this, 1/4 of this. This worksheet I have sent, no? 5th worksheet. Have you completed that,
Yes,
Anushka?
No, ma'am. I had a confusion on it, so that's why I'm asked.
Why there is a confusion, students? See, if I ask what is half of 12,
Ma'am,
or
that
what is 1/3 of 12?
Ma'am, centimeter is also is there. Centimeter.
My dear, then you only write the unit. No need to see the unit, just see the numbers. Find the answer. Yes, wait, Anushka. If meter, centimeter, liter is used with that, no problem. Only find the answer and use the unit with that. If I say 1/3 of 12 meters, so first of all, put a denominator 1. 1 into 12 is 12. 3 into 1 is 3. In 3 tables, 12 is coming 4 times, so the answer is 4 meter.
Ma'am,
Because meter is used. So I will write in the answer meter.
Ma'am, this I can understand, but there's digit like 4/5 of 150 type of. I can't.
Okay. Same method. 4/5 of 25. Yes.
Yes.
4/5 of 25. Write the denominator. Multiply numerator with the numerator. What is the answer coming? Tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am,
25 multiplied by 4.
25 multiplied by 4, ma'am.
Yes, only I said the numerator multiply by the numerator and denominator multiply by the denominator. Student, find the answer fast. 4 multiplied by 25 is 100, Anushka, and 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, and 100 divided by 5.
I'm 20.
20.
520.
Clear, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
Just if any sum it is coming, just you need to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator and divide it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now today we are going to learn types of
Ma'am, the answer is 24 liters.
Yes, got it, Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Types of fractions. There are different types of fractions. Can be, if I write, for example,
Yes, ma'am.
1/2, 5/6, 7/8. Okay, so you know these fractions have their names. Okay, so if I give you many fractions in the group and I tell you find their names, again 1/3, 4/5. Okay, so please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Someone mic is on. Okay. Still someone mic is on. Please mute your mic, Anushka.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
So first fraction we are going to learn the name is, first is unit fraction. Which type of fraction we are going to learn? Unit fraction. Unit fractions are the fractions which has 1 as the numerator. Which has 1 as the numerator. So if I give you this much, these many fractions, means 2 parts में से 1 part, 6 में से 5, 8 में से 7, 5 में से 4. Do you all know what this denominator means? Do you all know what denominator means? ये किसको
Yes,
denote?
ma'am.
Yes, Rudra Master, tell me.
Ma'am, the thing that we are dividing into parts.
Yes, how many parts? If I give you this fraction, anything which is divided into how many parts?
1 part
No,
means 2.
2. Denominator show us the total. If I give you that there was something which was divided into how many parts?
6.
And I gave you how many parts? Out of 6
5.
parts? 5 parts. Another thing which is divided into how many parts?
8
8.
parts.
And out of total 8 parts, I gave you how many parts?
7 parts.
7.
7 parts. Okay, this way these are the different fractions. Now I have given you some different fractions and I want to tell you, find out the unit fractions from this group. Which are the fractions which are unit fractions? Fractions which having the numerator 1. Fractions which are having the numerator 1. So which all the fractions are having as a numerator 1?
Ma'am, 2 upon
1
1 and 3
1
upon 1.
1 upon
You
3.
cannot read the fraction ulta. Rudra, you cannot read it 2/1. You cannot read it 3/1.
Ma'am, it's 1
You
upon 2.
cannot read the fraction ulta. I'm telling you again, and please remind this. You will read the fraction the way it is given, 1/2, not 2/1. If you read the fraction ulta, your everything will be wrong. If you read it as 2/1 means 2 parts में से 1 part में से you are talking about the 2. Got it, Rudra Master? है ना, कुछ भी नहीं बोलना है हमको. The way it is given, the way we have learned, we have to read it in this way. We cannot read the fraction. If you read the fraction 6/5, your answer वहीं पे गलत हो जाएगा. The way it is given, 5/6, 7/8, 4/5, 1/3. जो ऊपर है उसको पहले, जो नीचे है उसको बाद में. Got it, everyone? So now if I tell you from these group of fractions, you need to find out which fractions are the unit fractions. So now children, tell me which fractions are the unit fractions.
Ma'am, in which numerator is 1.
1. So now from this group of fractions, I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fractions, different fractions.
Yes.
Which fractions are the unit fractions?
1/2 and 1/3.
1/2.
1/2 and 1/3. Maybe you will get more fractions, group of fractions, but identify itna karna hai. If the numerator is 1, then that fraction is a unit fraction. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to the different fraction, which is like fraction. अब like like word से ही आपको clear हो रहा होगा. Like means what?
Proper.
Ma'am, the
Proper तो होगा ही.
Nice.
ma'am,
Nice.
denominator and numerator are same.
Like मतलब
Same. Like means same. अब
Same.
same कहाँ? Similarity कहाँ पर?
Numerator and
Similarity. No.
numerator.
No.
Denominator.
Similarity only denominator में similarity. कहाँ similarity?
denominator.
Suppose I give you one fraction 2/6, 4/6, 3/6. So can you see the similarity in the denominator?
Yes.
ma'am. 6.
You don't need to see. You don't have to see the numerator. आपको numerator देखना ही नहीं. जहां आपको दिख रहा है कि denominator same है. So these fractions are called which type of fractions?
Like fractions.
See, I am going to put the sticker here. Can you all see the fractions here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Which fraction is this?
5/8.
5/8.
Next,
Four
next
upon
is which?
eight.
4/8.
Next is
Five
which
upon eight.
fraction?
7/8.
7/8.
So what is the similarity in these fractions that the denominator is?
Numerator same. Same.
My dear student, first of all, you should be very, very comfortable that the word which you are using. If you are saying Samriddhi numerator, your answer will be wrong.
Mama,
They are all down.
Don't guess the answers here. It is visible. As I told you, I have explained you the terms also. The terms means the upper number is the numerator and down number is the denominator. These terms also we have
Ma'am,
learned. So you should not
denominator are
guess.
same. Ma'am, denominator are
It
same.
is not denominator, it is denominator.
Denominator.
So when the denominator is same, you can see the similarity in these fractions. Can you all see the similarity in these fractions?
yes, ma'am.
There is what is same now? Samriddhi?
The numbers are
Denominator.
increasing. Ma'am, the numbers are increasing. 4, 5.
That is a
Seven.
different thing. That is the different thing. I am not telling number is increasing or decreasing. See here, first is 2, then 4, then 3. We are not seeing that. Just to see the denominator, if the denominator are same, that fraction is the like fractions.
Like fraction.
Now, if the denominators are different, for example, 5/7, 2/6, 3/5. Now tell me, which type of fractions are these?
Unlike fraction.
These are unlike fractions. These are
Unlike
Unlike
Unlike.
unlike.
Unlike
ना तो
fraction.
numerator same है, ना तो denominator same है सारे groups में. Nothing is same. So these are unlike
fraction.
fraction. So हमने like पढ़ लिए. So can we revise this? Can we
Yes,
revise
ma'am.
3 type of fraction?
Yes,
Tell me
yes,
about.
ma'am.
Tell me, Samriddhi, you please put this microphone down. Can we revise first? Which type of fraction first we have learned?
unit.
Unit fraction. So how you will observe about the unit fraction? That this fraction is the unit fraction.
The numerator should be 1.
Numerator should be
Numerator should be 1.
1. Second fraction, which type of fraction we have learned?
Ma'am, the
Like
denominator will be same.
I am asking about the name of that fraction.
Like
fraction.
So what is the condition of the like fraction?
The denominator is
The denominator is
Same.
same.
Anya, you are clear what type of unlike like fractions are which type of fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, when the grades are the unlike fraction
Lakshay,
is
I have already called the child name. Anya Mittal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anya. Tell me. Like fractions are which type of fractions?
The denominator.
It is not dominator. Dominoes बोल दो आप, है ना? You can call any name. Dominoes, dominator. It is denominator. I'll give you a spelling. D Dominoes. Denominator. Denominator. Learn this now. If you pronounce it wrong, numerator and the denominator, I will cross it and will not listen to you.
Ma'am,
आपका
the
नाम मैं आन्या
exam
की
is
जगह कुछ
found.
और लूंगी. You will like that, Anya? Will you like that if I call something else to you? Anya, I will call you Anya. Then you will like that?
No.
No, na? So we should learn how to pronounce the words. Okay. So, as I was talking about the like fractions having the denominator same, unlike fractions are having different denominators. इसमें ना तो denominator same लगेगा ना numerator, कुछ भी same नहीं है. All fractions are different.
Yes.
That is where they are unlike fractions. Yeah, there is no similarity, nothing same. So they are unlike. Huh? When there is no similarity, we call unlike. When there is similarity in the denominator, we call like. When there is unit का मतलब one होता है. आपको you should Lakshya, mute yourself. Everyone should know that unit means one. So if there is numerator is one, the fractions are unit fraction. Okay, so we have learned three different types of fractions: unit fraction, like fraction, and unlike fraction. Now come the proper fraction. Proper fraction का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you understood about the proper fraction? किस टाइप का fraction होगा proper fraction में?
Ma'am, the denominator are same.
No. Same नहीं होगा proper fraction.
Proper fraction, ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, proper fractions are basically fractions which are not wrong. Like
Yes.
sometimes it is a rule. It is a rule in maths that the denominator cannot be lower than the numerator.
Yes.
Because the denominator is always the total of the parts.
Very good. Very good.
So the proper fractions are the fractions that are proper and the denominator is higher than the numerator.
Yes. Very good. So children, proper fraction means proper possible है. 2/3 means 3 parts आपने total करे, उसमें से आप 2 parts आप उसकी बात कर रहे हो, तो ये proper है. 3 possible है, क्योंकि 3 parts में से total 2 parts करना possible है कि नहीं? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, if I give you this.
Yes.
This is the pizza. Right?
Ma'am, this is a cake.
This is a
This
cake.
is it.
You
Ma'am,
can
it is
call it
divided.
anything. So how
Yes,
many
it's
total
not.
parts I have done in this? How many total parts? 4 parts total. And if I talk about this part only, so how much part I am talking about?
1/4.
Samriddhi, I am talking about this. मैंने इसको से
1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
If I have given this much to Samriddhi,
1/4. 1/2.
wrong. Samriddhi, you tell me how much part I have given you? 2/4. Okay.
2/4.
So 2/4 इसका करना तो possible हो गया because 4 parts में से we are talking about 2 parts. Okay. फिर again, if I give this much part to Ayush, so how much part I have given to Ayush? 3/4. ये भी possible हो गया. ठीक है? ये भी possible हो गया. 3/4 कर लो.
Ma'am, this always becomes 4/4.
So this is also proper fraction कि possible है. Fraction
Yes,
करना, parts करना possible है क्योंकि there were total 4 and we are talking about the 3. Then also possible. That is why it is proper fraction. But now मैंने ये पूरा ही केक 4 पार्ट्स किए, 4 के 4 पार्ट्स ही मैंने आयुष को दे दिए.
4/4 proper fraction.
दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर. अभी तो फ्रैक्शन रहा ही नहीं ना. आई हैव गिवन द होल कंप्लीट टू द आयुष.
Yes, ma'am. Not
As we know that in the first class we have learned fraction क्या होता है. Fraction क्या है? Whole के parts. When we are talking about the parts of the whole, that is fraction. पर जब मैंने पूरा ही केक उसको दे दिया, अब तो parts रहे ही नहीं, तो it is the one whole.
Yes, no.
When you do the lowest term of this, 4 1 4, 4 1 4, you will get 1. So it is one whole. So this is not the
Proper fraction.
this is not the proper fraction. Why? Because the numerator and denominator
Ma'am?
both are same. It is whole. Yes, Ayush. Ayush, yes, tell me.
And ma'am, the whole,
Hmm.
yeah, ma'am, the whole is a example of improper fraction.
Improper, yes.
And so is 5/4.
Yeah, that I will explain what is 5/4. Okay. First, let me explain what is proper and what is improper. Improper का मतलब आप समझते हैं? What in English language, what do you understand by the word improper?
Which is not proper.
Which is not proper, है ना? जो proper नहीं है वही improper.
numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Yes, numerator is bigger than the denominator. 5/4. अब ये proper लग रहा है कि 4 में से आप 5 parts कर सकते हो.
No.
आपने 4 parts किए किसी के. Will it be possible out of the total 4? Will it be possible to give 5 parts to anyone?
No, ma'am. Not proper fraction.
So
It
this
is
is
4/5.
not proper. So opposite.
Proper
So
fraction.
Lakshya, what is the opposite of proper fraction?
4/5.
Opposite of proper. Word.
In policy.
Improper.
Improper.
So we can call it as the improper fraction when the
Ma'am, if will be 4/5, it will be proper fraction.
But if अगर suppose आपको ऐसा given है कि एक fraction है जो ऐसे है कि अब now how you will understand? How? Now please look here how you will understand. First we have learned like fraction, then we have learned unlike fraction, then we have learned unit fraction, then we have learned proper fraction, then we have learned improper fraction. Now improper fraction, and then we have learned, now we are going to learn mixed fraction. Mixed fraction का word clear हो रहा है? What do you mean by the word mixed? आप mixed juice पीते हैं, mixed कुछ पीते हैं. Mixed का मतलब क्या होता है? उसमें और भी चीजें mix होती हैं? Yes or no?
सबको मिला के एक चीज बनती है.
हाँ, that is called mixed fraction. That is called mixed, right? पर अगर fraction की बात है तो उसमें mixed fraction क्या होगा? Mixed fraction combination है proper fraction plus improper fraction का.
Yes, mixed fraction.
Lakshya, first understand. Let me explain, then talk.
Okay.
Mixed fraction is a combination of proper plus improper. दोनों चीजें इसके अंदर शामिल है, right? दोनों चीजें इसके अंदर add है. अब वो कैसे निकालेंगे हम? 5/4. You can see here the numerator is greater and the denominator is smaller. In this case, what do you see that 5/4 का मतलब क्या समझते हैं आप? Can anyone explain what do you understand by the 5/4?
Ma'am, we understand that from 4 parts we have we have taken 5 parts, but it is not possible.
But it is possible. We can make it like, see, एक जो केक था वो तो हमने. Yes, Anushka, please tell me.
Ma'am, Shreya.
Yeah, Priya, please explain. Sorry.
Ma'am, from 4 holes, we can take 5 pieces.
How?
From 4 different holes, we can take 5 pieces.
From 4 different holes.
Yes.
But there is a, see, 5/4 I am talking about. I don't know where is another one part has fallen. So I will explain with by drawing only, no problem. See, there was a cake and I divided into 4 parts. Each part is the 1/4. Each part is the 1/4. Okay. And the fraction is 5/4. अब मैं किसी को 5/4 पार्ट कैसे दे सकती हूँ? As you know, 4/4 तक तो वो पूरा होल है. एक और मैंने इसमें 1/4 पार्ट एक और जोड़ दिया दूसरे केक में से. Understood? From the another cake. First cake तो पूरा होल दे दिया उसको, because 4/4 तक तो होल हो गया. एक और एक्स्ट्रा प्लस 1/4 मैंने उसको एक और I have given one more part. Yes or no?
Yes.
So then it makes 5/4.
Become 5/4.
Got it, everyone? Now, if the cake, for example, yes. For example, there is a cake. I divided into the 8 parts. And the fraction is 9/8. So how I will give 9/8 to anyone? मेरे पास तो 80 पार्ट्स हैं, एक पिज्जा. सपोज फिर यहाँ पे 2 पिज्जा होंगे, राइट? 2 पिज्जा के 8 पार्ट्स. सो ये वाला तो कंप्लीट 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This to complete pizza will go because till 8/8 is the whole. So what from the another pizza में और कितना part I will give? Add
1 you will take, ma'am. You will take 1.
1 part. So 1 part in the fraction will be noted as 1/8.
1/8.
So
And it will
8/8.
become unit fraction.
8/8 plus 1/8 when you will give it will become 9/8.
This
9/8. So we can write this in the mixed fraction also. How to write the mixed fraction? It was 9/8. So we can call it as one whole एक पूरा दे दिया, and another में से we have given 1/8. So we write the mixed fraction in this way. Got it? One whole.
Yes, ma'am.
One whole 1/8. Samriddhi, I will explain it again. Okay. Suppose there was one pizza. I have done into the 12 equal parts. You can assume that it is 12 equal parts, but we are talking about 13/12 part. So how you will give 13/12 to anyone?
Ma'am, 1/12 is equal to 1/12. One more part from our other pizza.
Yes.
One more part from the another pizza.
Yes, this is the whole I have given because these are the 12. 12 means 12 parts, so I have given because.
Yes, ma'am.
And from one more pizza, I will give 1/12 more part. Then it will become 13/12.
Ma'am, we do plus and
So
we
how?
get the answer.
Now, how I will write it into the mixed? One whole pizza I have given, and 1/12 part I have given from the another pizza. Then it will become 13/12. Got it? So mixed fraction we like it write in this way. Now suppose if I give you, will you able to read that? Okay. Suppose 2/2/4. 2 whole number or 2 integer we call it. 2 whole number or the 2 integer. 2/4. How you will read this? And how you will explain what do you understood by this fraction?
And complete 2 whole pizza.
Complete 2 whole pizza दियो. Third pizza में से मैंने कितना part दिया? इसमें 3 pizzas हुए हैं.
Ma'am, 2 parts.
Can you all see this? Here there are 3 total pizzas, 2 whole pizzas, and from the third one I have given 2 parts. And each pizza I have divided into 4 parts. How I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see? I can see with the denominator that each pizza I have divided into 4 parts. And there are 3. How can I see 3 pizzas? 2 the whole number, and from the third pizza there are 2 parts. Suppose if I give you this fraction.
Ma'am, 10/4.
How many pizzas are there total? Can you assume this?
Yes, ma'am.
How many? 4 to given.
4 whole pizza.
4.
4 whole pizza. And from the fifth one, how much part I have given?
5.
5 on 6.
Out of how many? Out of how many total? Out of how many total? 6 parts.
6.
And how many I have given?
5.
5.
5. So 4 whole
5.
pizzas, and out of the fifth pizza I have given 5 upon 6. Means 5 parts from the 6 parts. Will you able to read this now?
Yes.
Thank you. So today's worksheet is based on the identify the different types of
Yes,
fraction.
ma'am.
Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,